In a groundbreaking move towards sustainability and environmental consciousness, Chevrolet, an iconic American automaker, has decided to transform its legendary muscle car, the Chevrolet Camaro, into an all-electric powerhouse. This momentous decision marks a significant step in the automotive industry's transition from traditional gasoline-powered vehicles to electric-only powertrains. The new electric Chevrolet Camaro is set to revolutionize the sports car market with its impressive performance and eco-friendly credentials. The engineers and designers at Chevrolet have invested substantial time and resources to ensure that the electric Camaro maintains the spirit and heritage of its gasoline-powered predecessors while embracing a clean and renewable energy future. Under the hood, the electric Camaro boasts a cutting-edge electric motor system powered by advanced battery technology. With this electrified powertrain, the new Camaro delivers jaw-dropping acceleration, delivering thrilling 0 to 60 miles per hour times and instantaneous torque, showcasing the immense potential of electric vehicles in the performance realm. In addition to its impressive performance capabilities, the electric Camaro has been designed with efficiency and range in mind. The integration of state-of-the-art battery packs enables the vehicle to travel extended distances on a single charge, reducing the need for frequent stops and maximizing the driving experience. The exterior design of the electric Camaro remains true to its iconic heritage, with sleek lines and aerodynamic curves that not only evoke nostalgia but also contribute to its improved efficiency. Inside, the cabin reflects a perfect blend of modern technology and driver-centric features, offering an intuitive user interface and a host of infotainment options. Chevrolet's decision to transform the Camaro into an all-electric vehicle reflects the automotive industry's commitment to combating climate change and transitioning towards a greener future. By phasing out gasoline-powered models and embracing electric-only power, Chevrolet is taking a bold stance in reducing carbon emissions and promoting sustainable transportation. With this visionary move, Chevrolet sets an example for other automakers, encouraging them to follow suit in adopting cleaner energy alternatives and making a positive impact on the environment. The shift to electric vehicles not only benefits the planet by reducing greenhouse gas emissions but also enhances the driving experience for consumers, who will enjoy smoother, quieter, and more responsive rides. As the world moves towards electrification, the electrified Chevrolet Camaro stands as a testament to the power of innovation and the limitless possibilities of transitioning to electric-only power in the automotive industry. It represents a thrilling new chapter for the Camaro and showcases Chevrolet's dedication to creating a greener and more sustainable future for generations to come.